This is Chris, Product Manager with NEC Display Solutions. Hope everyone out there is staying safe and healthy. And with the school year coming, I want to talk about cleaning the CB series so that you have a clean and safe environment for the students in your facility using our display. You have several options. First is a soft, dust-free cloth such as microfiber. Simply take the towel and then you can wipe in large circles. And what this will do is it will remove any kind of fingerprint or large debris that's on the screen or on the bezel, and it can give a straightforward cleaning. The second thing that you can do is you can take a high quality glass cleaner or a screen cleaner, spray that directly onto the towel if you have a screen that's more soiled, and then using the same motion, wipe your screen down to remove any of that soil that's on the display. Your second option is to disinfect, and it's going to be the same steps that you have for cleaning, only this time you're going to use a 70% solution that you will spray directly onto your cleaning towel, same one as before, so either a soft dust-free cloth or microfiber cleaning cloth. Spray that onto the cloth directly and then wipe down. You can also clean your bezel, and you also can clean your stylus. So by taking your stylus, wipe your stylus down so the stylus is safe for the next person to use, and it'll affix right back to the bezel. Please do not spray directly onto the screen because moisture can drip down into the rail where the touch components are at and can damage them. If you find that you are leaving streaks with your alcohol solution, you can actually follow up with the standard cleaning which I showed you earlier, and that'll help clean the screen so you do not have streaks in the image that you have. With that being said, hope everyone has a safe and healthy year. Thank you.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.